Oh, hey, Luke, how's it going?
Great. So, this is my new apprentice, Ron.
Ron, what's with the robes? This guy looks funny.
Robes are the new black. They're way better than fishing vests.
Robes are the new black. They're way better than fishing vests.
Anyway, so your door won't open?
So I'm not really sure what's wrong, but can you guys fix this? Get it working for me?
No need to use mortal tools.
Hey, you can't be using magic powers to be opening people's doors. We'll be out of business.
But on A+, customers are first.
You're right. Customers are first.
Hey, John, anything interesting happen at work today?
Yeah, Mark was having a problem with his door, so I took my new apprentice over there, Ron, and he was doing all kinds of crazy stuff. Like he did some mind tricks on him, and then he fixed the door without even touching it, and the motor wasn't even hooked up. It was really crazy.
Is he single? Sounds like a catch.
What about Chip? Aren't you pretty torn up about that?
Chip? Chip who?
Oh, hi, Karina. How are you? I'm a little bummed. I have this really cool Lego kit I just got from the A+ party, and then I slipped on a banana, biffed it. The whole thing went everywhere, and it's destroyed.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Well, lucky for you, I just bought a new garage door from A+, and I got this Lego kit.
That's the one. That's
we
it.
can build together. And for a limited time only, when you buy a new garage door, you can receive your A+ Garage Doors Lego kit complete with a working garage door.
Who are you even talking to?
Today on the text, we learned that using tools is much easier and better to fix garage doors than using magic powers.
Tools are weak and outdated.
Tools are weak and outdated, just like Chip.
I learned that Lego houses have a bunch of little pieces.
I learned that it's never funny to slip on a banana peel.
It's kind of funny as long as the person isn't permanently injured.
I learned that I need to go to the mall and get a robe from Spirit Halloween.